In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI for writing summaries and action items. To get started, open Notion and go to the page where you want to use AI. This can be an empty page, a set of meeting notes, a draft you're already working on, or any workspace where you want help organizing ideas. Starting on the right page matters because Notion AI works best when it has the right context. If you already have text on the page, the AI can use that content to give you more useful and relevant results. Once you're on the page, click the AI option or type a prompt describing what you need. The key here is to be clear and specific. Instead of asking for something vague, try telling the AI exactly what kind of help you want. For example, you can ask it to create a draft, improve wording, organize rough ideas, or explain something in a simpler way. Clear prompts usually lead to better responses, so it helps to think of the AI like an assistant that follows instructions closely. One of the most useful features of Notion AI is writing support. You can ask it to write new content, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, or improve text you've already written. This is especially helpful when you're stuck staring at a blank page or when your writing needs a second pass. If you have rough notes, the AI can turn them into something more polished. If you already have a draft, it can help make the tone clearer, more concise, or more professional, depending on your goal. Notion AI is also great for working with notes. If you have long notes from a class, meeting, or planning session, you can use AI to turn them into simple summaries. This saves time and makes it easier to find the main points later. Instead of rereading everything, you can quickly get a shorter version that highlights the most important ideas. Another practical use is extracting action items. If your notes include decisions, tasks, or follow-up items, ask the AI to pull out the next steps. This can help you turn messy information into a clear to-do list, which is especially useful after meetings or brainstorming sessions. After the AI gives you a result, take a moment to review it carefully and edit anything that doesn't sound right. AI can be helpful, but it's still important to check for accuracy, tone, and clarity. Think of the output as a strong first draft, not always the final version. As you keep using Notion AI, continue testing different prompts to learn what works best. The more you practice, the better you'll get at asking for exactly what you need, and the more useful the tool will become in your everyday workflow.